Hello, welcome to another class. This is my class in here. This video was recorded in the class Lagos, Nigeria, one of our Shubiki classes we had. So we're gonna be letting you through how we will be able to transform it. So now what we did is that our first it is to draw this on the mode. Drawing on the mode is not the end up of a pattern. If you've been able to draw it on the mode, you've just start the journey to you get your pattern now. So after I draw it, I have to lay it balancely on the board. So laying balance is a task that must be done very well, or else your pattern will not balance. So if you want to get how to balance your project very well, in this laying is very important. Then it's very important. At the time we drew on the last for the student, there wasn't any additional space added to it. So now the spaces I'm adding right now is the lasting allowance, which is used to hold the shoe to the sole and then to be stitched all around together. So I added it at an average of 1.5 centimeter to 2 centimeter is what I'm adding to this space. So after I add it up, and at the tongue to the verb, I need to maintain a angular shape. So for me to be able to transform this thing out very well. So transforming project art is very technical. So this is a thing that you need to understand as a crafter, not just you drawing a wonderful, beautiful shoe or prototype on a mode. No, it's you transform it another big project. So right now, every part line that I drew on the mode, I need to separate it line by indicating it. So at the point I'm indicating it right now, I need to indicate every point one after the other. This is the lacing or the space for the lacing. I'm going to extend to the back, make sure the back and each where it's going to be having the decorative stitch, I indicate it. So this what I'm cutting right now is this frame of the pattern. The frame of the pattern is what we will use to generate the usable pattern out. So the frame of the pattern is what I'm using right now. So the essence of the frame of the pattern, so even when your pattern you run out of shape after you've completely finished it, run out of shape, you've been using it, run out of shape, you can call back to the frame of the pattern and generate it out again from the frame of the pattern. So I use the frame of the pattern to get the one side out, is the one side that I cut out, then I twist it to the other side to generate the other side out. So you have to learn the process and the method at which you use to multiply the both sides together. So I have series of pattern making video on my platform. So please, as it is very important to get a beautiful project out, it is most important to have a good understanding of your pattern making. Pattern making has a great impact in shoemaking. Without a good pattern, your shoe might not come out very well. So the students enjoy the making of this because we're able to make this somewhere at a tea break. We went to enjoy them or have a relief because it was at an average of 45 minutes that we used in cutting this out, which I just showed you in less than 5 minutes. So there was a speed in there. For you to enjoy the full version of this, please subscribe to my channel and not just subscribe, hit on the notification bell for you to be notified when the full version of this video transformation comes in out. So I was able to get it out, get the front, get the back, and your project, your pattern is them. So the last one which is important to cut out is the lacing holder. So I cut it out and it fits perfectly to the frame of the pattern. Everything you cut out must fit perfectly to the pattern. I look forward to having you in my subscribe. If you've liked something, if you've learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And then look at my video, look at my channel. There are a lot of videos on this platform. You remember, every crafter have to have a good understanding of pattern making. Look forward to have you in my subsequent upload.